Start over. What the fuck?
Hey guys, welcome back to my new YouTube video.
Look at that camera!
Hi guys.
Alright, come on. So
today, we're gonna be opening KinderJoy.
Oh, yeah!
Hey guys.
Shut the fuck up. We're gonna open KinderJoy. Alright, that's it. Here, let's open it. Oh my god.
Wait, so is this gonna be like an ASMR type of thing?
I don't know. No,
Please don't
I don't want that.
No.
Me? Oh my god, not yet.
Alright, because I'm gonna zoom.
We're not doing that.
Why is anybody going?
What are the lines?
There are no lines.
Can you open it? What the fuck? How do you open this?
You just like split it.
Open it. Why did you open it?
Oh.
Oh
This
wow.
has a toy. Look, this is.
I have the toy!
I can't open this.
If you're not in the camera, get the fuck out! So, yeah,
I am already so fucking lost. I don't know what I'm doing.
Once you finish, show off your toy.
Is mine a magnet?
Oh!
Wait, no.
What the?
Look, this is what's inside of it. Pay attention.
Why are you guys leaving us behind?
Will the viewers hate me? Let's change my character. It's really good.
I want to try
Yeah.
it. It's the same company that does Ferrero and like Nutella.
That makes sense.
Oh,
Yeah.
is this it?
It tastes like
Oh, I did it!
the
Wait, what's
Asian
your
candy
toy?
with the cup and the sticks
All your
inside.
toys are so easy to put
Yeah,
together.
man.
Like, look at mine.
John John.
It's like,
Yeah.
what the fuck is that? I'm done.
We're over it, guys.
I'm trying to make my toy.
Probably.
Oh, man. But which one did you get? I don't know. I don't know how to build it. Stickers? Oh, this is supposed to be like a race? I don't know.
At this point, we're just eating. No one's
Yeah.
talking anymore.
Guess what?
What?
So, my friend texted me. Oh, I should probably cut it.
I think I'm doing something.
Right.
My friend saw them at the movies and said that, oh, I see your best friend, ex-boyfriend here with a new girl. And I was like, oh, really? And he sent me a picture of
You
bad
act like they're
angle.
not gonna see this. I don't care. I want them to see this.
And then he sent me a girl with a really bad ankle, and I was like, oh, she's ugly. And then she texted me through his phone saying that I'm not the new girlfriend. I'm one of his coworkers.
Oh, Shayla.
It was really ugly. You want to see?
Oh, you have seen that?
What is it? What is that?
It's a magnifying thing.
Oh, that's dope.
That's mine.
It's got a stupid big ball.
Oh, yes.
It ruined the video.
Wow, are you
Are
fucking
you
kidding me?
kidding me?
Who the fuck is that? Is that not? I'm busy right now.
Yeah, she looks really bad.
See. What?
Are you recording right now?
I said I'll call you back later.
I did it.
That's a weak ass goal compared to this.
So, 10 out of 10 on the food.
The packaging is very questionable because, like, I find it really hard opening this.
I
Like,
feel
are you
like
fucking
it's
kidding me?
promoting vegans or something. Vegans eat eggs? Alright, don't put that in.
What is
It
that?
took me fucking forever to put this together.
I am
I forgot you're not done yet.
Why is my thing so lame?
You're the ball.
Is it bouncy? It's bouncy.
Watch your videos.
Stop recording.
You actually listened to her.
Alright, get out of here.
Okay, stop.
But I miss you, Carrie.